we have absolutely noticed a difference in hearing our neighbors' cars drive by or hearing the wind blowing in the yard. We've already kind of joked that we have to actually go to a window and look outside to really know what the wind is doing, because we don't hear it. We're not really hearing the wind rustle the trees. We're not really hearing the dump truck come by to pick up trash. We're just really experiencing a lot quieter interior home environment than we did in our old house. Even living still just a block away from a major street, we don't hear that road traffic nearly as much as we did in our old home either. So it's really been astonishing, and has really been something that we've remarked to each other and others about as one of our favorite features of the house.
Yeah, and I think since we've moved in, we've had, it's springtime, we've had we've had some roller coaster weather, just as far as temperatures and things go. And I don't think I have touched the thermostat once. I mean, you build a house this tight and this energy efficient, and the system for conditioning the space just kind of takes care of the rest. So unlike, in the older home that we were in, where we were kind of constantly having to change our expectations for interior comfort, this one we sort of just like set it, and the interior environment just is comfortable and without really a lot of thought. So it's pretty awesome.